Thanks for getting the donuts, Ax. Let me pack up the projector, grab my keys, and we can bounce.
Yeah, no problem, T. You've been spending a lot of time at that mission lately. What's up? You looking for a cute dance partner?
Nah, man, I'm rescuing royalty.
Oh, there you go again with these riddles. Now I bet you're gonna toss me a comic, right?
No comics today, man. Just straight up truth.
All right, let me have it. What's up?
That lighthouse mission? Let me tell you, man. There's some buried treasure there. Some of these people are destined for greatness. We just gotta pull it out of them.
Yeah, man, I know. We're all destined for greatness. I get it. But what makes these guys so special?
You remember in the Bible where God bragged on Job?
Yeah?
Well, the enemy tried his best to make sure everything that Job did failed. Now, think about these guys. I've listened to some of their stories. The violent death of a child or a spouse, the abuse, the loss of everything they had, the things that led them to addictions. The stories go on and on. Now, the way I see it, Ax, God bragged on these guys and the enemy is trying his hardest to keep them from their true potential.
Okay, I get it. But we all go through hard times. Some handle problems differently than others and make bad choices.
I won't argue that. But think about it. Look at the history of some of the greatest talents, like singers, ministers, artists, musicians, inventors, entrepreneurs that have changed the world. You'll find that many of them have gone through terrible setbacks like drugs, homelessness, mental breakdowns, and some of them even end up in places like this. Now, imagine what God can do with that talent when we help them to understand who they are and they begin to believe.
Okay, how are we going to do that?
And that's the easy part. We give them hope. And it all starts with this right here.
I shall give her the gift of music composition, and she shall have the potential of bringing many into my kingdom with her songs. And I have given her the potential to inflict great damage to the kingdom of darkness.
Oh man, Tony, it's amazing how many people responded to that.
Yeah, I know, right? The only sad thing is that so many others get caught up chasing money or other things that they end up missing or ignoring their God-given gift and die without fulfilling their true potential.
The wealthiest spot on this planet is not the diamond mines of South Africa, but the wealthiest spot on this planet is right in your neighborhood. It's the cemetery. Why? Because buried in the cemetery are dreams that were never fulfilled, books that were never written, ideas that never became reality, visions that were never manifested, paintings that were never painted, songs that were never written. The cemetery is pregnant with unused success. Buried in the cemetery is treasure that makes God weep.